Hey buddy, welcome to TimeBook.life Facebook page, and I want to show you a quick nifty tool that you can use. It's Facebook Messenger bot that you can start when click on get started. If you type a message now here, we will see it and someone of us will get back to you as soon as possible. But it gives you a quick tour, the chatbot, and a cool feature it has is the main menu. If you see the three blue lines on your computer, or if you swipe up a little bit on your phone, then this menu pops up and you can ask what's TimeBook or another questions about ordering and about us. And also you can get TimeBooks here, and when you want to get started, when you want to grow. And now I want to show you the coolest thing that we created. It's basically a free course for sales and marketing to build up your passive income stream while helping people live a better life and while helping TimeBook to do more good in the world. So TimeBook Ambassadors game, click here and it starts. So yes, tell me more, and it's begun. Basically gives you a quick tour. It's a marketing and sales course and step-by-step tutorial how to set up your affiliate business, and you get more information as we go on. So the end goal is to build a passive income stream and help more people. So I'm ready to go. Click here. If you want to know more, click here. And in some cases, like, you can also enter data that helps us simplify your growth later on. For example, your first step is to register your account, and to make sure that you got the right name, we ask you to type in your affiliate username, let's say username, and click enter. So now our bot knows that your username is username, and in the future it helps you create the right information over there. So for example, let's put this one in here. If you see it in the affiliate area and so on, so then we know that it's working well for you, and if something is wrong we can let you know. And yeah, yes, my link worked, no, my link doesn't work, so on. You will be customized answers based on your answers. And yeah, enjoy the process, enjoy your passive income in the future, and enjoy the learning curve. So let's make things simple and convenient for us. Thank you for watching. Thank you for becoming TimeBook affiliate, and take care.